So welcome again to this Jamaican Life, and this is a quick update on the country house. As we promised last week, the next video is going to be pictures of the roof that's done. Just wanted to show you what the neighborhood looks like. So we're not in the wilderness in Little London here, and we did some cleaning up this week. Here's a view of the road. So I have some nice neighbors and homes around. In front of us is an empty lot, and Corey the goat is always there. Hopefully he or she will be there all the time. Looking forward to someone building in front of us. Someone's actually building to the left of this right now. But as you see, lots of leaves there, but we cleaned up this week. Some chickens here. We need your help picking out a gate. We need to keep out the chickens and the goats and all of that stuff. So at the end here, you'll see 3 gates. Let me know which one you like. Again, as always, please like, share, and subscribe so it gets the message out and people can see the reno on the country house in Little London, Jamaica. And here's the first gate we're looking at. So I'm thinking of doing one gate 6 feet and the other gate 4 feet. So the 4-foot one is kind of like the pedestrian side. So that's the other one. And I really like this one, this design, but so much wood, I don't know if it'll rot quickly. So there's the opening that we need to put a gate, and then we'll do some fencing. So again, join me on this Jamaican Life and let me know which gate you like best. And if you have any questions on the country house. Thanks so much.